In BIM 360 design, issues have been updated so that it is possible to create issues in design collaboration or view issues created in document management. Issues are sorted by My Team's issues, Team Work in Progress issues, or Team Package issues. Select an issue from the list to review the details, attachments, and activity report for the issue. From the document hyperlink within the report, you can jump directly to the location of the issue visually within the project. From the project model, review issues by set for resolution. From the issue details, you can jump directly to the issue location in the viewer. Within the timeline of the Design Collaboration module, you can navigate issues by package and resolve them similarly by hyperlink navigation to the model for review. In the model view, you may toggle the visibility of issues by selecting either Show or Hide all issues. Explore package sets in Design Collaboration to identify areas for issue creation. To create a new issue, simply click on the issue icon and fill in the data for the type, subtype, status, and title, as well as other data as necessary. Once created, your issue is added to the issues list and project view. Review your recently created issue in the new issue tracker in Design Collaboration. These updates to issue management will enhance your experience when creating or resolving issues with a more seamless and extended workflow for project administration efficiency.